Yo. All right, thanks for coming out, everybody. We're a band called Clear. Our singer couldn't make it. He had passport troubles, but that's all right. We have the show. The show must go on. So we enlisted the help of a few friends. Domestic for you guys, domestic for us. So this is Clear, North American straight edge. And we're going to start it off with some West Coast flavor. Straight ahead, baby! I'm for the people! I stand for them! Fight for unity, I'll stand! People, they're alive, I'm fucking shit, and let me out, and I'm over there, I'm not a fight, can't report this, I'm fucking mom, you leave yourself, it's not a fight, can't report this, I'm fucking wait a thing, wait a thing, wait there, hold on my head, I wanna reach it, I'll take a fucking stand. Never there, never able to give it away to teach you on me. We're clear from Boston! To the street, it ain't just rock, losers at the bar! Now we fucking roll! Into your world of disintegration, don't need it. To the idea, to nothing, come into the world. There's nothing need for me. I don't need to leave it. The answers on the not clear ahead. Pain Chain. Holding down in bed like a gun, trying to fight shining like sunshine. I know I can't. I know I can't be free. Now lying waste my night. I know I can't. Let's go, you be you. We are not nothing.
got your lower day, I got your safety. Can you be you? Can you be you? Can you be you? Can you be you? That's a reality crew, YOT, 10 calls my eye. Wow. Thanks, guys. American straight edge.